Hey ladies, so what do vision boards actually look like? If you've never done one or you've always done one the same way, what could a vision board look like for you? So pretty much, honestly, they can be anything. I've had women do vision boards on a big poster board. You know, you go to an art supply store and get a big poster board. And if you've got the room to do that, then that's great. But if you are a little cramped for space, or like in my case, I do so much traveling that for me to be able to carry my vision board with me is really cool. So you can do it in a journal and do it page by page. You could do it in a notebook. You can do them in an accordion style. So you take file folders and glue them together so that it ends up being an accordion style. I've had women do vision boards that were more artistic. I've had women do vision boards on canvas. So you put your images and your words on a canvas, and then you shellac it or put varnish over it, and it ends up being like a piece of artwork. So a vision board can look however you want it to look. It is your idea, it is your vision, it is how you want to manifest. Whatever that is and however that speaks for you is totally cool. But I do hope that through this process that you will end up sharing your vision board with us so that we can help you and hold you accountable and pick you up when there are struggles or when you trip and fall, that we are all there in this wonderful community to support one another. So I can't wait to see what you come up with. I hope that this was helpful about what kind of vision board and how you want to create a vision board that's going to speak to you. Ciao.